Hey guys! If you're experiencing the text glitch issue in CapCut where editing a text layer suddenly causes it to stretch out or display weird characters, don't worry, here's how to fix it step by step. So let's say you've added a text and split it into two parts. That's totally fine. But the glitch usually happens when you're trying to edit the first text layer while the playhead or white line is on the second one. That mismatch causes the bug. So here's how to fix that. So always make sure your playhead or the white vertical line is placed exactly over the text layer you want to edit. So if you're editing the first text, your playhead should be lined up on that clip. Then when you change the text like from hi to hello, it will update smoothly without glitching. If your playhead is still on the second text but you try to edit the first one, that's when the problem appears. So remember, line up the playhead, click the correct text, and edit. And that's it. Follow this method and you won't have to deal with weird stretching or having to delete and re-add your text anymore. Thanks for watching.